Wonderful! Great! Fantastic! That was awesome! Wonderful! Standing! Perfect! Good job! Outstanding! Perfect! Wonderful! Outstanding! Great! Fantastic!
Around the world, with the exception of the polar regions. As with many other species of insect, there are numerous ant species inhabiting many different environments all around the world. There are more than 12,000 recognized species of ant worldwide, but there are estimated to be nearly 14,000. Commonly found in eastern Africa. They are also known as the rock dassy or the rock rabbit, due to their rodent-like appearance. The rock hyrax is such a unique mammal that it is classified in an order of its own, along with its subspecies known as the yellow-spotted hyrax, and the two-tree pythons, from the Greek word python, are a family of non-venomous snakes found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Among its members are some of the largest snakes in the world. 8 genera and 31 species are currently recognized. Growing more than 2 meters tall. The ostrich is also the world's fastest bird on the ground, being able to run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour for short periods of time. Despite the fact that the ostrich is a bird, the ostrich cannot fly and instead will run away when threatened. Inhabiting farmland and forested areas of North America. The opossum is an omnivorous animal and will eat almost anything that it can find. Opossums mainly feed on insects, frogs, birds, snakes, small mammals, and earthworms. The opossum are cartilaginous shell developed from their ribs and acting as a shield. The order Testudines includes both extant, living, and extinct species. The earliest known members of this group date from 157 million years ago, making foraging mammal that is found inhabiting the harsh conditions of the open and arid, semi-desert plains in southern Africa. A member of the mongoose family, meerkats differ from the other 35 mongoose species in a number of ways, with the biggest difference being that meerkats are incredibly sociable. Forests, jungles, meadows and gardens all over the world. There are only 7 recognized species of honeybee out of 20,000 different bee species found worldwide, but these individual species often contain their own subspecies. There are 44 known subspecies. That the pelican has in its beak, which the pelican uses to scoop fish out of the water. The pelican is found in the countryside worldwide, dwelling near water and densely populated fishing areas. The brown sea pelican is one of the largest species. Tasmanian devil is therefore distantly related to kangaroos and wombats. Although the Tasmanian devil's closest relative is a kangaroo, the Tasmanian devil has the appearance of a wild dog. The Tasmanian devil is only found on the Australian island state of Tasmania. That are found worldwide. There are around 2,000 different species of known scorpion found in most countries around the world today. The scorpion is mainly found in the southern hemisphere in deserts and jungle habitats alike. Today has 3 genera: Manus, which comprises 4 species living in Asia, Phatagenus, which comprises 2 species living in Africa, and Smutsia, which comprises 2 species also living in Africa. Species of bat, living in caves and forests, particularly in the southern hemisphere. The bumblebee bat, found in the jungles of Thailand, is the smallest mammal in the world and weighs less than a penny. Bats hunt at night using their exceptional sight. The eagle is one of the most dominant predators in the sky. Eagles are most commonly found in the northern hemisphere, including Europe, Asia and North America. Eagles are also found on the African continent. There are more than 60 different species. Found throughout the southern hemisphere. Although some species of hummingbird are occasionally found further north, these small birds tend to prefer the more tropical climates. Hummingbirds beat their wings 15 to 80 times every second, depending three species colloquially known in the United States as the chickenhawk, though it rarely preys on standard-sized chickens. It breeds throughout most of North America, from western Alaska and northern Canada to as far south as Panama. Shrimp and lobster. There are more than 6,700 known species of crab found in waters worldwide, and these many crab species are split into around 93 different crab groups. The ferret is thought to be a subspecies of polecat, and the ferret has the same long-shaped body as a polecat and a weasel. The ferret is used to help farmers hunt out rabbits, and the ferret does this by crawling into the rabbit. Includes about 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey typified by an upright stance, a large, broad head, binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight. Large rodents. They are also one of the 14 species of marmot, or ground squirrels. In fact, they are the largest members of the squirrel family. From head to rump, groundhogs are 17.75 to 24.